You can't tell the difference between this photo edited with a preset and this photo shot on film, and I'm gonna prove it to you. Now, both of these images, you would say, are stylized by the film Gold 200. Now, Gold 200 is a beautiful film, one that has amazing golden overtones, and my favorite, a sort of a jade green shadow that sneaks its way into that lower fade. It's a film that is so steeped in nostalgia. I bet if you look in your parents' scrapbooks, you'll find photos taken with this very film. Now, we asked our community manager, Renee, to set up a shoot in San Francisco to show off the aesthetics of this film. She's then going to take this film, send it all the way over here to us in Seattle, and we will scan that film on our Fuji Frontier 3000 scanner.
Hello, so today we are here at Sutro Baths here in San Francisco. We're going to be working on a very fun bridal editorial shoot. I'm going to be shooting digital on my Sony A7R3 with my 35mm 1.4 lens. And for film, I'm going to be using an old Minolta SLR, and we're going to be shooting on Kodak Gold 200. I'm very excited. It's going to be a super fun shoot, so let's go ahead and get started.
Now, I'm going to give you a leg up on this comparison guessing game that we've set you up on by walking you through the film scanning process at Moon Photo in Seattle. So now that we're here and I have Renee's film, let's go ahead and get started. When we say our presets are built from film, it also stretches into the editing workflow. With the digital workflow, it's to apply the look, adjust exposure, and correct white balance. So the biggest difference between shooting film and editing with our presets is that with the film, the look has already been applied, so to speak. Now that the film is loaded, we can take a look and we can skip around to some of the shots, and you can see that we can use some of the different tools on the scanner in order to affect the images in the same way. So we have density, and in film scanning, density refers to the darkness and the lightness of the film. So you can think of it like adjusting the exposure, like in your digital photos. We use that to dial in and retain as much of the film's dynamic range as possible. So next we have the print heads, which are essentially the white balance of the tools of the scanner. They help to manage the color output, and they have 6 different buttons, similar to using sort of the temperature and tint sliders in your digital editing software like Lightroom or Capture One. In fact, for any video editing people out there, the printhead emulation tools actually exist inside of DaVinci Resolve, and they look and feel exactly like they would here. Now, we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna dial these in. We're gonna be looking for neutrals in these photos to help get the perfect white balance. And when you're using our presets, it mirrors this film scanning process digitally, making sure that you have the same true-to-life colors that you would get from film. All right, now that we have scanned all of our film, it's your turn to see if you can guess which is film and which is digital. Leave your guesses in the comments below, and good luck.